vibes, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn, this is Vibe with Brooklyn, and on this channel we get into a ton of Fenty Beauty, skin, other brands, reviews, hauls, health tips, and just like so much more. So if you want to be a part of the Vibe Squad, join us. We have a whole lot of fun on this channel. Hit the subscribe button and be sure to like this video if you end up loving it. So today I'm getting into the very much asked for Cheeks Out new shades that just came out. I only picked up 3 of them. I believe 5 or 6 came out, but your girl was like, I'm gonna just pick up the 3 that I think are gonna work for me and be good for like the summertime. So I'm going to swatch them. I'm only gonna put on 1 of them because to go back and forth is a lot, but I will definitely be sure to swatch them on the hand so you guys can see what they look like on my skin tone. So these are the 3 shades that I picked up. These 2 at the end are looking similar, but this one is Big Melons, which, I'm excited for this. I think I'm gonna wear this one out. This is Pinky Promise, which is also really pretty pink shade, and this is the infamous Riri. Y'all know I had to get Riri. I have Riri and everything. I'm even thinking of doing a video of like all the Riri shades so you guys can see what they're all doing and looking like. As you can see, I haven't used these. They're open, but I haven't used them yet. So this is my first time seeing what they look like on me as well. Riri is like this soft mauve rose, a rosy mauve shade, just like everything else in the Riri collection. It is really, really pretty. Something so satisfying about when you have a brand new makeup item. This is what it looks like. It definitely looks a lot darker in the pan. I enjoy all of the different formulas of products that Riri comes in, from the lip gloss to this to the velvet lipstick. It's just a very much so universal mauve shade that can work on just about any and everyone. Next we have the Pinky Promise, which I think is a really cute summery shade. This is just giving like vacation vibes. It looks super neon in the palette, but I think once we swatch it, it won't be as neon. Wait, this is really pretty. Look at this. That shade of pink, that is perfect for any of my brown skin girlies. This shade is really, really popping and cute. At first, I wasn't too sure what it was gonna look like, in all honesty, but I could wear this one right now and it would be really cute. Pinky Promise is considered to be a soft peachy pink. I do see that. I definitely do see that. I see the pink coming through more than the peach per se. However, it is really gorgeous. And if you don't know, the full name of this is Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blushes. So creamy first, and I love the creaminess of it because it gives time to work through it, and like you can pat it down, you can build it up, you can have it as light as you want, as dark as you want. That's what I really love about these cream blushes. This is the Big Melons, which I am so excited for. I feel like this on my skin tone, on the brown skin girlies, is going to literally eat. Okay, so let's swatch this. It's like coral. Let's see what they describe it as. Described as a soft coral. That's exactly what it's giving on the skin. The brown skin girlies, the dark skin girlies, the brown girls, period. We are all going to slay it away in this shade right here. I love the pigment. I love the name, Big Melons. It's giving just that. So I will put 1 of them on my face. So before we go any further, these are $24 each. We are going to swatch this. I feel like it's always satisfying to watch a swatch being happen. Maybe I'm just crazy. Ooh, it is. I'm gonna use my mirror here so you're gonna see me look down. I'm scared. No, I'm not. I'm a big girl. This is so cute. What was I scared of? I was just kidding, guys. I wasn't scared. Y'all know I don't come on here with like super crazy colors on my face. I kind of keep it cute in a certain shade range. These brighter colors pop up, I get a little scared. I ain't gonna lie. You can use your fingers to tap it out. Look at that. Oh my god, she is cute. I love this shade, y'all. I'm about to be rocking this everywhere. It gives the cheeks a really nice pop without doing like too much. So again, these creams are considered to be non-greasy. They instantly melt into the skin. That's literally what you guys just witnessed happen right before your eyes. I'm gonna do a whole separate video for the Riri shade. Right now, I am giving Big Melons its moment. It is absolutely gorgeous. with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, literally hit the thumbs up. Please turn on the post notifications bell so you know when I am dropping videos. It is every Sunday, but sometimes I sneak in one, okay? So you don't want to miss that. I'd love to have you part of the Vibe Squad, so hit subscribe and join us. Come. We're a great time over here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your support as usual, and I will catch you guys in the next Vibe video. Bye.